Imagine, just for a moment, waking up to the sound of your alarm, but instead of groaning at the thought of another day at the office, you smile. Why? Because you are your own boss. You've built a successful business from scratch. And the best part? It didn't take years of planning and thousands of dollars. It took just 4 minutes of your time. Intrigued? Then stick around, because today we're diving into the world of entrepreneurship and revealing a step-by-step guide to start your own business. Starting a business might seem like a daunting task, but it's easier than you think if you follow these simple steps. Firstly, find a niche where people are crying out for help. How do you do this? Ask the ChatGPT to list 5 problems everyday people are grappling with. Next, head over to a website known as plr.me and seek out a product that addresses one of the issues the ChatGPT highlighted. This website is a goldmine of ready-made products that you can sell as your own. Now that you've got your product, it's time to set up shop. Turn to the website gumroad.com to create a sleek, one-page web store where you'll sell your product. The beauty of Gumroad is its simplicity. Within minutes, you'll have a professional-looking store ready to welcome customers. The final step is all about marketing. Create an Instagram account and start posting viral clips related to your niche. This will attract an audience interested in your product and drive traffic to your web store. And there you have it. In just 4 minutes, you've laid the groundwork for your own business. But remember, while starting a business is quick and easy, growing and sustaining it requires dedication, hard work, and a lot of learning. But don't worry, you've got this. So, what are you waiting for? Seize this opportunity to create a life of financial independence and personal satisfaction. Start your business today and enjoy the freedom that comes with being your own boss. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts here. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family who might also benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly updates. Until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling.